Hello, this is the lecture number 13 for the chapter differential equation. In the last lecture, we were discussing the miscellaneous exercise and we have done up to question number 9. Now, in the question number 10, you have to solve this differential equation, that is y e ki power x upon y dx is equal to x e ki power x upon y plus y square dy, where y is not equal to 0. Now if you arrange it very carefully, if you arrange it, you are getting this as e ki power dy upon dx upon dy, e ki power x upon y is equal to x upon y e ki power x upon y plus y. If you arrange it this carefully. Now if you take all the terms to the same side, or rather x upon y dx upon dy minus x e ki power x upon y into x equal to y. So you are getting a linear differential equation of second type. Rather it is it is not a linear differential equation, it is a homogeneous differential equation of second type. Why? Because the degree of every term here is 1. Here the degree of every term is 1. So you can let here as whenever it is a differential equation of homogeneous differential equation of second type, you let here x is equal to vy and find the value of dx upon dy. 1 is equal to, differentiate first of all y plus derivative of v with respect to x is this. So this is x is equal to vy. Rather you have to differentiate both sides with respect to y, because we have dx upon dy here. We have dx upon dy here. So when you let x is equal to vy, differentiate with respect to y both side, it will be differentiate y, you will get 1, and when you differentiate v with respect to y, it will be this. So this is the value of dx upon dy. So this comes out to be e ki power v, and the derivative of dx upon dy is v plus y dv upon dy is minus e ki power v x is equal to y. Now if you divide the whole equation by e ki power v, it will be v plus y dv upon dy minus x is equal to y e ki power v. You will get this. You take all the terms to the same side, and when you take all the terms to the same side and arrange it, you will get e ki power v dv is equal to dy. This is you will get, and when you integrate both sides, you will get e ki power v ka integration e ki power y, and one ka integration with respect to y is y plus c, and put the value of v, which is equal to, the value of v is x upon y. So put the value of x upon y is equal to y plus c, which is the solution of this differential equation. So this is the question number 10. Now in question number 11, we have this x minus y dx plus dy is equal to dx minus dy. Now dx plus dy will be equal to dx minus dy upon x minus y. Now when you integrate both sides, taking integration on both sides, it is dx plus dy is equal to dx minus dy upon x minus y. Taking integration on both sides. Now the integration of 1 with respect to x will be x, integration of y with respect to y will be y, and if you see it very carefully, you can be like this, d x minus y upon x minus y you have to take. Now if you let this equal to t, now the derivative of x minus y will be d upon dx of x minus y, so it will be log of x minus y, x plus y plus c. Now this is the solution of this differential equation, x plus y is equal to log x minus y mod. Now it is given that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. When you put these values here, you will get 0 minus 1 is equal to log 0 minus 1 plus c, and the value of c you are getting as minus 1. And when you put it in this equation number 1, you will get the particular solution of this differential equation. So this is the question number 11. Now in question number 12, we have e की power minus 2 root x upon root x minus y upon root x dx upon dy is equal to 1. Now arrange it. They take this to the right hand side. It will be d by dx plus y upon root x is equal to e की power minus 2 root x upon root x. Now if you arrange like this, you are getting this in the form d by dx plus py equal to q, that is a linear differential equation you are getting. So you are getting the value of p as 1 upon root x and q as e की power minus 2 root x upon root x. This is the value of a and p and q. Now find its linear integrating factor. Now you know that integrating factor is e की power 1, integrating factor is e की power p with respect to x. So it will be e की power 1 upon root x with respect to x. Now you can integrate 1 upon root x, taking root x to the numerator, that is x की power minus half, and when you integrate it, you will get as 2 root x. You will get 2 root x. Integration of 1 upon root x is 2 root x. Now the solution of this differential equation, we know it, that it is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q ka integration with respect to x. This is the solution of this differential equation. So y is equal to e की power 2 root x. This is the value of integrating factor. E की power 2 root x into q. Q is this e की power minus 2 root x upon root x. This is the value of q. Now you have to integrate the right hand side, which is you can integrate as this will be equal to e की power 0, e की power root x, e की power minus 2 root x. It will be e की power 0, that is you are getting only 1 upon root x. E की power 0 is 1, and you know the integration of 1 upon root x is 2 root x. So 2 root x plus c. So this is the solution of this differential equation of this miscellaneous exercise. That is the question number 12. It is a linear differential equation of first type, that is d by dx plus by plus q equal to 0. So this is the question number 12. Now in question number 13, what is given? You have to, question number 13, it is given that d by dx plus y cot x is equal to 4x cosec x, and it is given that this curve is passing through pi by 2, 0. That is, you have to find the particular solution of this differential equation. Now this is of the form d by dx plus py is equal to q. So therefore p here is cot x and q here is 4x cosec x. So it is a linear differential equation where integrating factor is e की power p का integration with respect to x. तो e की power cot x का integration with respect to x, and cot x का integration होता है log sin x, and e की power log x is equal to x. So this is the value of integrating factor. Now solution of this type of linear differential equation is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to x. So y into sine x is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is sine x, and it is x 4x cosec x. 4x cosec x is the value of q. This is the value of q. So cosec x into sine x is 1. So it is 4x का integration with respect to x, which will get 4x square upon 2 plus c y sine x. Now it is given that the value of x is pi by 2 and the value of y is 0. It is given in the question, that is x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 0. So it is 0, 4 pi square upon 2 into 2. The value of x square will be pi square upon 4 into 2 plus c. So the value of x you are getting as c is equal to minus pi square upon 2. You put this value in equation number 1. This here you will get a particular solution of this differential equation. So this is the question number 13 of this miscellaneous exercise. It is a linear differential equation. So whenever you have to solve the differential equation, you have to first of all find which type of the differential equation it is. Now in question number 14, it is x plus 1 d by dx is equal to 2 e to power minus y minus 1. Now if you see it very carefully, this is the separable variable differential equation, because all the terms containing x is with dx and all the terms containing y is with dy. You can obtain it easily and taking integration on both sides. Now first of all, you simplify the left hand side and simplify 1 upon e to power y, so it will become e to power y upon 2 minus e to power y. With respect to y, it is dx upon x plus 1. Now when you integrate it, you let it equal to t. This will be cancelled out. You will get minus log 2 minus e to power y. Here you will get the log of x plus 1 and plus c. Now you can use the property of the log to obtain the value of c. So log x plus 1, take this to the left hand side, log 2 minus e to power y. In addition, by using the properties of the log, it will be added. So x plus 1 into 2 minus e to power y is equal to minus c. When you remove the log from the one side, it will be e to power minus c. And in that also, you can let it equal to another constant be a, and x plus 1 into 2 minus e to power y. And it is given in the question that at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It is given in the question x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So you can find the value of the constant. So it is 2 minus e to power 0. So it will be 1 into 1. So the value of a here is 1. Now you can replace it here, the value of 1, which is 1 is equal to x plus 1, 2 minus e to power y is the particular solution of this linear differential equation. Now you can try the question number 15 yourself. Now in question number 16, again you have to solve this equation which we have, y dx minus x dy upon y is equal to 0. So y dx minus x dy equal to 0. Y dx is equal to x dy, and you are getting this as you can integrate on both sides by differentiating it. X upon y will be equal to dx upon dy. You can put it like this, or you can taking integration on both sides. You can integrate on both sides and solve like this, or you can like solve this. Y dx is equal to x dy. So dx upon x is equal to dy upon y. Taking integration on both sides, log x is equal to log y. And when all the terms are in log, you can put the value of the log. Constant is also in the log also, using the property of the log will be cancelled out and it will be x upon y is equal to c. X upon y is equal to c is the which option of this question number? This it will be c part, because you can write this as 1 upon c is equal to y upon x also, and 1 upon c is equal to c also. 1 upon c is equal to c also. So like this you can simplify. Now in question number 17, there is a, what is given in question number 17 is general solution of this. General solution of this differential equation, which is a linear differential equation of the second type. And the solution of linear differential second type is, you know it is x into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q ka integration with respect to y. So integrating factor of the second type is e की power p का integration with respect to y is equal to e की p1 का integration with respect to y into q with respect to y. So this is of which type? It is not the first option. You can see the second is not the option. It is the third option of question number 17 if you compare it with this question number 17. It is the third option, the solution of linear differential equation of second type. Now in question number 18, you have to find the general solution of this differential equation. So you have to check which type of this differential equation is. Now if you see it carefully, it is e की power x dy plus y e की power y plus 2x dx equal to 0. Now e की power x dy plus y d by dx, you can divide the whole equation by dx, you are getting this, and you can divide the whole equation by e की power y. So you are getting the differential equation, rather linear differential equation you are getting. You are getting a linear differential equation. It is e की power x. It is e की power x. So if this is of the form d by dx plus py equal to q. This is of the form. So therefore p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 2x upon e की power x, and you can solve it by using the linear differential equation. So integrating factor is e की power p का integration with respect to x. So p here is 1. So its integrating factor is e की power x. So the solution is, you know it, y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to x, which is the solution of this type of linear differential equation. So e की power x is the integrating factor, e की power x is the integrating factor, 2 upon e की power x. So e की power x will be cancelled out and the integration of 2x will be x square, because integration of x is x square upon 2, this 2 will be cancelled out. So the solution of this differential equation is y into e की power x is equal to x square plus c. This is the solution of this differential equation. Now here is when you are taking to the right hand side, it is a minus sign here, and minus sign here. Similarly minus sign here. So you can solve it and find your own solution. Okay, this is a completion of this chapter, linear differential equation, and which is rather a long chapter. And do it at least 2 times to have a very good command over this differential equation. Okay, thank you.